Have you ever crushed a workout only to wake up the next morning barely able to move? That's DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness. And today we're breaking down the real science behind why your muscles feel so sore, and more importantly, how you can recover faster and keep making gains. I'm going to give you proven, research-backed strategies that athletes and scientists swear by. So, what exactly is DOMS? DOMS stands for delayed onset muscle soreness. It usually kicks in 12 to 24 hours after a workout, peaks around 24 to 72 hours, and then gradually fades. Contrary to what some believe, DOMS is not caused by lactic acid buildup. That's an old myth. The soreness actually comes from microscopic damage to your muscle fibers, especially when you do something your body isn't used to, like heavy strength training, explosive moves, or lots of eccentric exercises. Eccentric means lengthening the muscle under load, for example, lowering a squat or controlling the downward phase of a bicep curl. Those movements create more microtrauma, which your body repairs to make the muscle stronger. When your muscle fibers get tiny tears, your body responds with inflammation. This triggers swelling, increased fluid, and the release of chemical messengers that activate pain receptors. Think of it like this. Your muscles are sending an alarm signal saying, "Hey, we've been stressed. Time to repair and rebuild." The soreness you feel is essentially the side effect of your body adapting. And here's the good news, DOMS means your muscles are being challenged and are adapting to become stronger. But too much soreness can backfire. It can lower your training performance, delay recovery, and even demotivate you. Before we talk recovery, let's bust a few common myths about DOMS. Myth 1. Soreness equals a great workout. Not true. You can make amazing progress without crippling soreness. Progress is about progressive overload and consistency, not how wrecked you feel. Myth 2. Lactic acid causes soreness. We now know lactic acid clears within hours, long before DOMS sets in. Myth 3. If you're not sore, you're not growing. Completely false. Some advanced lifters rarely get sore because their muscles are well adapted. They're still building muscle. Now let's get into what you can actually do about DOMS. Here are science-backed strategies to reduce or prevent it. Gradual progression. Don't go from zero to hero overnight. Slowly increase weight, reps, or intensity to give your muscles time to adapt. Proper warm-up. A dynamic warm-up increases blood flow, preps your nervous system, and reduces muscle strain. Cool down and active recovery. Light movement like walking, cycling, or mobility work after training can reduce stiffness. Nutrition for recovery. Protein is essential to rebuild muscle fibers. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. Carbs replenish glycogen and help fuel recovery. Omega-3 fatty acids, like from salmon or flaxseed, may reduce inflammation. Hydration. Muscles that are well hydrated recover better. Dehydration worsens soreness. Sleep. Your body releases growth hormone during deep sleep, making quality rest one of the most powerful recovery tools. Massage and foam rolling. These can temporarily reduce soreness and improve circulation, although they don't speed up recovery as much as we once thought. Cold exposure or heat therapy, ice baths, contrast showers, or even heating pads can help reduce discomfort, but the science is mixed. Use what feels best for you. Here's the million-dollar question. Should you train if you're still sore? The answer: light activity is fine, but avoid pushing the same sore muscle group to failure. For example, if your legs are sore from squats, do an upper body session instead, or just focus on mobility and cardio. Think of it as active recovery. You're still moving, but you're giving sore muscles the break they need. So to recap, DOMS is a natural part of training caused by microscopic muscle damage and inflammation. It's not lactic acid, and it doesn't mean you had a better workout. The best way to handle DOMS is smart training, solid nutrition, hydration, and sleep. Remember, you don't need to chase soreness. What you want to chase is progress. Consistency beats intensity every single time. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-based fitness content, and let me know in the comments, what's the worst DOMS you've ever had? Until next time, train smart, recover smarter.